Wait, I did something wrong. And I saw dolphins.
And we're going to meet up with some friends from Instagram. We've been through a few tolls recently and we've got no idea how much they are.
It keeps raining on and off.
And this looks steep and windy. We are screwed if that road is closed. Wow.
Wow.
It's amazing. Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myron.
We live full-time in our self-built Sprinter van and travel all over Europe. In this week's video, we're in Norway and we explore some beautiful spots like the Atlantic Ocean Road.
Good morning guys, it's another start to our working week. Today we're parked up next to a beautiful fjord. Water there, it's lovely. Nice and sunny today as well, which is great. And we're gonna get some work done. So I want to bake some brownies, but there are way too many dishes in the sink, so first job is to do dishes. Just need to add an egg, a deciliter of water, and 100 grams of butter. Mix together and that's really easy. I forgot the water. Wait, why did I put an egg in it? Wait, I did something wrong.
What?
I thought I was meant to put water in it.
You are meant to put water in it.
I put butter.
You meant to put butter as well.
Oh, no. I think I've done something wrong. I'm gonna bake some brownies. Just need to add an egg, a deciliter of water, and 100 grams of butter.
It's really easy.
So it's well past lunchtime and we forgot to eat lunch, so we're doing our meal that we always do when we can't think of what to eat, which is just pasta, tomato sauce and cheese. Oh, and lots of chili oil to make it a bit spicy. It is like the easiest, quickest, simplest like meal, not nutritious at all, but it fills us up and will keep us going.
So for the first half of the day we've been working with the bed in bed mode, so now we're going to change it up into couch mode. So I just looked out the window and I saw dolphins. They were just in this area here. So like 3 of them pop up. I'll put the drone into the air and see if I can see anything that way.
So the work day is done. We didn't get to see any more of the dolphins. I didn't see them at all, only Myron did. But now we're just in the van and we're going to meet up with some friends from Instagram. Yeah, I'm excited. I don't know if we'll vlog for the rest of the night just because we're kind of like just hanging out with people. So yeah, if we don't, we will pick this vlog up tomorrow.
So our friends Brown and Bird and Wondervan have left us. They're heading up towards north, towards the Lofoten Islands and Nordkapp. We're heading south, so now we're heading towards the Atlantic Road. Should be a beautiful drive.
We are in a big tunnel. It's only like 6 kilometers, but we were going really far downhill, even though it was like through land, not water. It also says it's a toll tunnel, but doesn't say how much it is. We've been through a few tolls recently and we've got no idea how much they are.
So it keeps raining on and off. Every time we get to a beautiful bridge or beautiful place, it'll just start raining. And then every time we get out of it into like a small town when we don't want to fly the drone, it clears up, like right now. So hoping that we might time it right at one of the bridges and then be able to shoot that one. We might have to wait around at one of the most beautiful bridges.
So it hasn't been raining for the last couple of minutes, and then we just got to the Atlantic Ocean Road and I was like, this is it, and then it just starts pouring.
Wow.
It's so unfair. What are they doing to us? At least the sunset looks really nice. I found it.
The Atlantic Road Bridge.
So we really want to be able to walk around this area and get some drone shots. So we've decided to park up and stay the night here so that in the morning when the weather is fine, we can have a proper look around. So we have found ourselves a beautiful little spot.
And this is the spot.
Up the Trollstigen, and it is windy. We were just saying before that we haven't driven up many mountains in Norway. Like, there are mountains everywhere, but you usually drive like beside them along the water or through tunnels sometimes. So this feels like our first mountain here, doesn't it? I can't think of like any other mountains, and this looks steep and windy. So I think we're about midway up and there's a beautiful waterfall behind us. Oh, feels good to stretch my legs. Look at that view.
So we made it to the top of the mountain. There's a souvenir gift shop and restaurant at the top, but burgers were like 20 euros, so we're gonna have hot dogs and buns in the van.
After we had lunch, we did a couple hours of work in this car park, and now we're gonna go over to the viewing platforms to see what we can see.
This place really reminds me of the Transfiguration Road in Romania. It's the same kind of like a road driving up a massive mountain with beautiful views and zigzag.
Back and forth.
It's amazing.
It was really cool to see, but it's quite high and like it just drops.
It overhangs over the cliff quite a bit as well, which is a bit scary.
Look at this cool granny troll on a motorbike.
Three-headed troll. The troll-eyes troll.
after exploring that really cool road, we are now back in the van and we have a lot of driving to do. I think we have about 5 hours till our next destination. I don't know if we'll make it the whole way there tonight. We might stop at some point to have dinner, but we're just gonna drive as long as we can. Marian's just in the back because we realised we've been driving for like half an hour with the fan shut open.
Not good.
Not good. How many times have we done that, Myron?
We haven't done it in like a year, but in the first like
First 6
couple
months.
of months.
It was a lot.
It's like wide open as well. Lucky we didn't break it a couple of times. Now we're a bit more rural. It's a cow on the road.
Oh my god, there's multiple cows. Please move, cows. Thank you. Thank you, friends.
They can still run really fast.
Thanks, friends. Oh, sheep.
Up the top.
They're running fast. Getting to the toll barrier.
We haven't passed another car in a long time.
Nope, we have not. What do we do?
What do we do? We're on video.
Do we pay? We must pay into this machine.
Oh yes, it takes card.
Where? Oh, there. Cool.
Don't have any coins. So this is the toll road, just a gravel road. Oh, I don't know if it was worth the €5.
I don't know why it's €5.
But I had a look on the map and there's like no other roads going in the direction we need to go, so we've just driven into the fog as well. It's pretty creepy, we haven't seen anyone in a long time.
Yeah, and
oh,
like,
there's a cute little sheep on the side.
Like a barrier that we paid to get into. It's creepy.
Yeah. Look at the cute sheep scratching himself on the table.
Why are they stuck? No, he's scratching himself.
Yeah. He's got an itchy back.
So we have, how long do we have? Like another 2.5 hours to go until where we're trying to get to, but I think we're going to stop in around an hour and a half. However, we just were like driving along and then we see these flashing lights with a sign which I think is saying the road is closed ahead of us. But there's literally no other way we can go, like we have to go that way. So we've just come back to the gas station and we're filling up with diesel, and then hopefully there's someone working inside. It's getting kind of late now, so hopefully there's someone inside we can ask, because we are screwed if that road is closed.
So I just asked at the gas station and the road's closed due to snow. About 30 kilometers in, it's been closed off, too deep of snow or something, so we've got to find another way around.
Are you joking?
The other way around adds on like another 2.5 hours. So instead of just 2 hours to where we were going, it's going to be about 4.5.
It was already 2.5 left, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So 5 hours left.
Yeah.
And it was 5 hours when we started.
Yeah.
And we've been driving for hours and hours. How is there snow?
I don't know. She said the snow came yesterday and it's
because I read that the road is closed all winter, every winter.
Yeah.
But it's like 3 months before winter.
Yeah.
It's only just the start of autumn. What is it, the 4th of September?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. But the cool parking spots are there as well.
Yeah.
And here's our other route, and it involves a ferry.
It was pretty much just drive straight through there, now we got to drive all the way around.
Oh my god.
So now with the road closed from the snow, we're just gonna park up in this town, work out which way to go tomorrow. There's a lovely church over there. Looks kind of creepy. That looks pretty cool. But we're just gonna park up here and tomorrow work out where to go. Oh, it's quite annoying. Road's still closed.
Good morning. So it's another day and we are getting ready to drive again. We got to bed really late last night. Oh, it was so annoying, the road is closed. So we're gonna have to go a longer way that's adding on more time, and we're having to skip some of our sites. So we were wanting to go to church, but it's just gonna add on too much time and we really don't have the time. So that's annoying. I can't believe there's enough snow just ahead of us that they've had to close the road.
Those mountains in the distance look like they have a fresh bit of snow on them.
Found our reindeer friends again. Oh, that local was like, oh, these stupid tourists slowing up the reindeer.
This road must get quite a bit of snow on it because the pigs are used to them when the whole place is covered in snow. You can still see where the road is. I just saw a sign that said that we're 1,400 meters high. It's pretty high. Didn't really realize it because it's been quite a very slow
gradual uphill.
We've been on mainland for quite a while. 24.5 kilometers. Wow. Wow.
It's amazing. This tunnel is 25 kilometers long, and we're in the very middle of it, and I still have full internet reception. So I'm working away while we're in the tunnel.
Oh, we made it. Sunlight. Whoa, look at those 3 huge cruise ships.
So it's that time of week again where we need to do our services like water and whatnot, and the place we've come to, we saw in Park for Night that they also have LPG here.
This is our first time filling up with LPG in Norway. We do have a 30 litre tank, so that lasts us quite a while, but I had a look underneath and the gauge says that we're at like 0%, so time to fill up. I just need to work out which adapter we need. It's 3 different types. I'm pretty sure that's the same bayonet type that the UK has actually. So I don't need the adapters.
So everyone has told us that it's super hard to find LPG in Norway. Because we have such a big tank, we haven't needed to fill up yet, so we haven't really noticed. But in saying that, we actually haven't seen LPG anywhere, so it could be true. But anyway, we've found this spot just by accident. We weren't looking for it, we saw it and we thought, let's just fill up.
Rotate it. There we go.
It's almost double the price as it is in the UK.
So that's just under 13 litres, which is nearly half the tank.
Excuse me.
Don't like that bit. Whoa, $869.
Luckily it's not dollars.
It's expensive. It's not actually, it's cheaper than the UK, cheaper than a lot of places.
Yeah.
So that's good. So it's been a pretty long 8-hour drive today, but we made it to Bergen, which we're very happy about. We've parked up and we're gonna have some burritos for dinner and then go to sleep. So this ends our weekly vlog now that we're in Bergen. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.